Coffee McAvee drink recipe, a caffeine lover's dream. Hey there, coffee enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something special brewing for you, the Coffee McAvee drink recipe. This delightful concoction will satisfy your caffeine cravings and leave you wanting more. So, grab your favorite coffee mug and let's get started. Ingredients: freshly brewed coffee, 2 cups. Hot chocolate mix, 2 tablespoons. Whipped cream. Chocolate shavings. Caramel sauce. Mini marshmallows, optional. Instructions. Brew the coffee. Start by brewing 2 cups of your favorite coffee. Use a strong coffee blend for a robust flavor. Prepare the hot chocolate. In a separate bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of hot chocolate mix with a splash of hot water. Stir until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Layer the coffee and hot chocolate. Take your coffee mug and pour in the freshly brewed coffee until it's about 2/3 full. Next, gently pour the prepared hot chocolate mixture into the coffee. Pour it slowly over the back of a spoon to create a layered effect. The hot chocolate will sink to the bottom, creating a beautiful contrast with the coffee. Add whipped cream. Now, it's time to indulge. Top your Coffee McAvee with a generous dollop of whipped cream. This will add a creamy, dreamy texture to your drink. Garnish and finish. Sprinkle some chocolate shavings over the whipped cream for a luxurious touch. The chocolate will slowly melt into the coffee and hot chocolate, enhancing the flavor. Drizzle some caramel sauce over the whipped cream for that irresistible sweetness. If you want to take it a step further, you can add a few mini marshmallows on top for an extra layer of decadence. Serve and enjoy. Grab a spoon and give your Coffee McAvee a gentle stir to combine all the flavors. The combination of coffee and hot chocolate is heavenly, with the whipped cream and caramel taking it to the next level. And there you have it, the Coffee McAvee drink, a perfect treat for coffee lovers with a sweet tooth. Whether it's a cozy morning at home or a chilly winter evening, this drink is sure to hit the spot. Give it a try, and let us know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes and coffee inspiration. Cheers, and enjoy your Coffee McAvee.